Welcome back to Wonder Wheel, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about SUVs of the year, the Land Cruiser Titan 2025, a name that carries legacy, power, and prestige. The Titan has redefined what it means to be a true off-road luxury SUV in the modern era. The Land Cruiser Titan 2025 is the latest evolution of Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser line. This model keeps the iconic DNA alive while embracing next-gen technology and design. First invented by Toyota in the early 1950s, the Land Cruiser was initially developed as a military vehicle. Over the decades, it has transformed into a globally recognized premium SUV known for its reliability and toughness. With the Titan 2025, Toyota blends its rugged off-road heritage with refined luxury and cutting-edge tech. Globally, the Land Cruiser Titan 2025 sees its biggest market in the Middle East, particularly in countries like Saudi Arabia and UAE, where it's seen as a symbol of both status and utility. It's also a favorite in Australia for outback adventures and in Africa for extreme terrains. In terms of sales, Japan and the United States remain significant markets due to the brand's trust and loyal customer base. The popularity of the Titan 2025 is skyrocketing thanks to its bold redesign, powerful performance, and unmatched reliability. The new model features a redesigned grille, slimmer LED headlamps, and a more aerodynamic body, giving it a fresh yet commanding look. Inside, it's all about luxury, with ventilated leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a massive 14-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser Titan 2025 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces around 409 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. This combination delivers strong acceleration, smooth shifting, and impressive off-road capabilities. Despite its size and power, the Titan offers a fuel efficiency of about 10 to 12 km/h, which is quite respectable for a full-size SUV. Its capabilities are where the Titan truly shines. With a full-time 4WD system, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking differential, the Titan is engineered for any environment, from sandy deserts to rocky trails and snowy mountain passes. The ground clearance and water weighting capacity have also been improved for superior off-road performance. When it comes to features, the Titan 2025 is packed with tech. It includes adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a premium JBL audio system. Safety is a major focus, with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite on board. The price of the Land Cruiser Titan 2025 starts around $85,000, depending on the trim and market. While it may seem premium, what you get in return is unmatched durability, comfort, and long-term value. The biggest selling point of the Titan 2025 is its legendary reputation combined with modern luxury and world-class off-road ability. Whether you're driving through city streets or conquering harsh terrain, the Titan stands tall as the king of all-terrain vehicles. Thanks for watching Wonder Wheel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting auto content.